Okay, so I just packed this and I just want to show you how long it takes me and what's happening. I am sending you pictures of my settings and everything. So here's a cub on a rim C. We're going to start the session now. Boom, boom. And then you can kind of keep track of the seconds. I'm going to set this right here. Boom. Throw my mouthpiece on. It is still just chunking in there. It's starting to melt slightly. There it is. Looks like I forgot to put water in this. Oh well. Still makes it cooler though. So my session's done. I just pressed the button and ended it early. I got pretty good vapor, and that's kind of what I have left over. Not much. I just always like to leave a little bit left over. I don't realize like any more of a feeling I get from taking that last little bit, and it's not worth charring the bowl. But just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how long it takes me to do my session and my exact settings.